You sleeping, Dennis? Trying to sleep. He's terrible in the car. He slept on the way to Scotland as well. It's a good job he wasn't driving. You happy there, Dennis? Naughty Daniel shaking the car. Just got to this place, Dolgoch Falls. It's very windy. We stopped off for a short visit to Dolgoch. It was a slate quarry in 1875 and closed in 1884 after a storm caused damage. There's a train station platform at the top of the bridge. We were lucky to catch sight of a steam train going over on the way back. Dolgoch has a series of 3 waterfalls in the stunning woodland southwest of Snowdonia. The complete walk takes around 50 minutes. It's a cute little bridge. Let's have a look. Dennis! Ah! Come on, come on! Ah! Ah!
Wow, look at that.
I thought it would be further away.
I know.
Did you?
Oh, Google, try and find out where the thing is.
Over the cave.
That's in the cave tonight. Danger zone.
Oh. Wow. Yeah. And there's a cave over there. It's good, isn't it?
I've watched too many videos lately.
What's that?
I've watched too many videos of caves lately.
Can you wait for me? Because I can't see a thing.
Yeah, this is dodgy edge.
Huh? I can't see. Where's Dennis? Oh my God, it's quite deep, isn't it? Where's he gone?
I don't know where Dennis is.
Dennis has gone off.
He might be waiting to scare you.
Oh look, they blocked it off. off in the wall. Ooh, let's have a look at that. Oh. Ooh.
Careful.
Hello. Oh, look
Looks
at
like
that.
you can climb under there.
Oh, look, that's good, isn't it?
Should we just go under?
How?
How?
I'm not getting under there. We're going to get soaked.
I think we should try it.
Will you go and film it?
What if I get stuck?
Well, exactly.
There's natural light in there.
Huh?
We should go in.
I know. I'm not going in there.
Oh my god, my hand's soaking.
Right, give
Right,
him.
can I have my phone?
I'll give him the GoPro. You film it then. We'll stay here.
Oh, it's gorgeous. You need to come here.
Oh no, I'm not going in there.
Oh my god, it's slippy as shit.
I'm not going.
There you go, look at that. Wow.
Be careful, Daniel.
It's amazing.
Another whale. Oh, Dennis is doing it as well.
Come on, Dennis. Well done. Well done, mate. Breaking and entering.
Oh no.
Isn't it amazing? Come on, mother. Are you going to climb over there? See what's down around that corner, then?
There must be a snake or something.
Let us know what's there. What?
Is what?
What's there, Dennis? Nothing there?
Nothing.
Nothing? Dead end?
It's pretty cool, that, isn't it? Oh my God, Dennis, that was the worst act ever.
Gorgeous. You should come through.
It does look really nice. I'll watch your footage. You can send it me and I'll have it.
You're a wimp.
Do you know what? I don't fancy doing that all that wet. It does look really nice. Looks like something from Jurassic Park or
In all that wet?
yes. It's so
You've
look
got
at
the
it.
coat for it.
I know.
Come on.
No, I'm not doing it.
It's easy.
I'm not doing that.
Swing it
No,
through.
I'm not getting squeezing in there. No chance.
Come on.
I'm not,
That's
oh
gorgeous.
my God, Dennis is falling.
It's a nice view.
I'll see your footage. Rebels. Oh, be careful, Dennis. Oh my God. It's like something from Tomb Raider or Jurassic Park in there, isn't it?
You hold my shit while I climb through. What's the best way of getting through?
It's up to you.
How did you do it before? Did you slide? Oh, fuck.
Don't know.
You let it do back.
Oh, be careful.
Fuck it.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Alright?
Ah.
Fine, yeah. I can't see shit.
No, I can't see nothing either.
Probably not.
Daniel's got the light. Oh, wow, this is good. So was it a dead end, was it?
Yes, it seems so.
I bet it was a mine shaft, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a mine shaft somewhere. It's all over the Welsh Hills, isn't it? You're Well done. Well done. You got your poncho, your posh poncho dirty now, haven't you?
Oh, it's okay.
So cool that is.
You should have gone.
I know. I didn't want to get my coat dirty.
You always jump in water and...
I know. I didn't. I've got my new coat on.
Put mine on.
I know. No, it's fine. Oh, it's slippy. It's really slippy. And very, very steep. Right. Oh, can you? What, you can actually look down on it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Don't
Oh, wow.
Damn me.
Wow, look at that. That's where you were. Yeah, they've left me. So, this is the top of the waterfall. Oh, there's Daniel over there. Oh, there's a bridge to get along the other side. Oh wow, there's more up there, isn't there? I'll go over that bridge. Wow, look at that. That's the top of the waterfall. Hey! That's beautiful.